In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Outlook if you've ever sent a message and immediately realized there was a mistake. The good news is that Outlook includes a recall feature that may help you fix it. This is especially useful if you sent the wrong information, forgot an attachment, or simply need to replace the original message with a corrected version. Just keep in mind that this feature only works in specific situations, so timing matters. To begin, open Outlook and go to your Sent Items folder. This is where you'll find messages you've already sent. Locate the email you want to recall, then open it so the full message appears in its own window. It's important to actually open the message because the recall option is available from inside the email itself. Once the message is open, go to the File menu. From there, look for the option labeled Resend or Recall. Select that and then choose Recall this message. This opens the recall settings and lets you decide what Outlook should do with the original email. At this point, you'll usually see two choices. The first option is to delete unread copies of the message. This is the right choice if you simply want to remove the email before the recipient sees it. The second option is to delete unread copies and replace them with a new message. Choose this if you want to send a corrected version right away, which can save time and help prevent confusion. After selecting the option that fits your situation, click OK to continue. If you chose to replace the message, Outlook will let you edit the original email and send the updated version. Now here's the most important thing to understand. Recall does not always work. It typically only succeeds if the recipient has not already opened the email. In addition, the recipient usually needs to be using an email account within the same organization, such as the same company or school system. If the email has already been read or if it was sent outside your organization, the recall may fail. So if you need to correct an email, act quickly. Open the sent message, go to File, choose Resend or Recall, select Recall this message, and then choose whether to delete it or replace it. Used under the right conditions, this can be a very helpful tool for fixing email mistakes before they cause confusion.